Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mina. In today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you easy way I draw my eyebrow. So I start by cleaning up my face. I use micellar water, so I'm ensuring my face is thoroughly clean before I dive into work. So I move on to using the spoolie brush to brush out my natural eyebrow before I start drawing it. So this is the pencil I'll be using. I love using this pencil because it makes my work come out good. So I love using it. So I start draw a straight line, a thin straight line, start from my hack, then I take it down slightly to the toe. Then I move to the front, draw a straight line, then make it at the hack. So after that, I move on to outlining my upper eyebrow. I draw a straight line, then I take it down to the toe before I move on to the front section. So I'm using the pencil to create effect like small air-like stroke to give me that natural look. So after that, I dive into filling in the extra gap. So I'm filling it in. So I'm almost done with filling in the gap. So I'll move to the next brow and do the same thing to it. So I start with highlighting. I started highlighting from my hack, and I'm bringing it down slowly to the tail. I'm doing it slowly, and I move to the front a little, then highlight it, make it at the hack, then down to the tail slowly. I'm doing it everything gently. I'm not in a hurry. I'm taking my time to do the highlighting, because if you're rushing and mistake can occur. So I'm doing it slowly and gently. So the brush I'm using here is a big flat brush. That's the brush I'm using to highlight. And the concealer I use a lighter shade concealer. So I'm using the same brush to bring down the excess concealer onto my eyelid. So after this, I use spoolie brush to brush out the eyebrow. Then I move to my upper brow. I use my skin shade foundation to highlight my upper brow. So the brush I use also is a flat brush, but small. That one is smaller than the one I used to highlight my downcast brow. So I'm doing it gently. You see, I want to have that hack, not too high, not too small. So I'm doing it small. So I use the brush to blend in the excess foundation into my skin. So I will do the same thing to the other part of. So this is the blending brush. I'll be using it to blend in the excess concealer to balance the shape of my eyebrow. I love using this brush, it's fluffy. So I'm using the brush to blend in everything. I'm bringing it down to my eyelid. The reason why I'm bringing it down to my eyelid is because I still want to apply eyeshadow and all. So for the upper brow, I use a flat fluffy brush to blend in the foundation into my skin. So if you're new here, thanks for joining me and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe and give me that thumbs up. And if you're a returning viewer, thanks for joining me back. I love you so much, and I really appreciate what you're doing. Thank you. And if you find this helpful, please comment down below, share, and turn on the